Bring some of the Christmas cheer from inside your home into your outdoor spaces. Creating a porch pot is easy, fun, and instantly adds holiday charm to your porch, patio, or deck. All you need is a container, evergreens, and some decorative pieces to create a beautiful winter arrangement. Keep watching to see how you can brighten up your porch for the winter and holiday seasons. The first thing you'll need to do is figure out how you want your porch pot to look and how long you intend to keep it out on your porch. If you want to display your porch pot all winter long, you may want to consider a winter wonderland theme, or be prepared to swap out some of the decorative pieces after the Christmas season is over. After you've decided how you want your porch pot to look, the next step is to find everything you need to bring your vision to life. A galvanized bucket, wood barrel, or a wooden crate are great containers for your porch pot. You can even use more unique options like holiday tins, milk cans, or metal mail holders. You will also need something in the bottom of the container to keep it from blowing over and to keep the branches in place. You may want to fill it with soil, sand, rocks, or a piece of floral foam to make arranging each branch simple. The most important part of a porch pot is the greenery, so be sure to find as many kinds of pine as you can. Adding different species is an easy way to add texture and visual interest. To create a dimensional look that adds life to your front porch, incorporate thrillers, fillers, and spillers. Branches of birchwood, red twig dogwood, curly willow, or anything that is taller than your container are ideal thrillers. Fillers are branches of pine and evergreen, berry picks, bundles of eucalyptus, and decorative holiday accents. Boxwood, cypress, and white pine are perfect spillers as they hang and flow nicely. The last thing you'll need is some decorative pieces to tie the whole thing together and add color. This can be an opportunity to bring some of your indoor decor outside and to give your guests a small preview of what they'll find once they enter your home. You can also use decor like staked figures, faux flowers, glittery bows and ribbons, and even ornaments to decorate your porch pot. Pipe cleaners or string work well to secure ornaments and other decor to the tops of branches. String lights add a twinkle to the pot. Once you have your container, greenery, and decorative pieces picked out, it's time to create your porch pot. Fill the container with soil, sand, rocks, or floral foam to keep each pick in place. Place your thrillers, fillers, and spillers thoughtfully and treat your porch pot like a floral arrangement. Take your time adding all the branches, evergreens, and holiday accents. Don't be afraid to rearrange and fluff as you go. When you're happy with how everything looks, place the container on your porch, deck, patio, or wherever you'd like outside. Add some finishing touches by decorating the area around your porch pot. Lanterns, holiday figurines, lights, a wreath on your front door, and garland draped on the railing help to complete your porch for the holiday season. Check out sunnydazedecor.com for several items to help you get started with your porch pot. You'll find decorative flower pots, lanterns, ornaments, holiday figurines, and lights that will help make your porch pot one of a kind. Thank you very much for watching.